3 secrets to get into the zone of public speaking before your presentation, just before your presentation. So number 1 is, do not practice on the day of the presentation. Do not just practice on the morning, right? Finish off the presentation practice a day before, because that is the time, that day is the time to chill and relax. Do whatever you can till the last day, and then just believe in yourself, chill and relax that I will give the best presentation, right? Number 2 is, get minimum 7 to 8 hours of sleep and have a good meal before the presentation, right? Energy is very important. Energy is everything, right? Do 5 minutes of spot jogging if required just before the presentation. Number 3, do not drink much coffee. Okay, just try to sip some hot water, like warm water if possible, so that will soothe your throat. So yes, that will take you to the zone of public speaking. Click the like button if you like my video.